www.gibsonTruckWorld.com 2006 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT Crew Cab Cummins Diesel with only 53k miles. Do not make a $3k plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills, and have the truck inspected by a third party. CARFAX 1 owner, 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty. Riding on a nice set of Michelin's, power seating, sliding rear window, CD player, wood grain interior trim, keyless entry, alarm, bed liner, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We will pay you $1,000 if you